it's Jodie here from The 7 Effect, and this is the place where we help you design your dream life and build your dream business. And in this video, I want to share with you a really simple yet incredibly powerful marketing technique. It's my own process, which is called results-based marketing. Now, this has been an absolute game changer for my clients, and in our case study program, we actually go through the process and get our clients to put it out to the market, tweak it and test it, and the results they get are phenomenal. So results-based marketing is a perfect strategy for you to use if you feel like you're really struggling to land your message clearly, to have clients say, oh my God, I need what you're selling, or just articulate the value of what you can bring to the table for the people that you can help achieve particular results or goals in their life, in their business, or whatever it is you do as a coach, consultant, or expert. So how does it work? Well, there's 4 stages to it, and the first thing we need to focus on is the person. As I explain this to you, I'm going to give you a little demo as well, talking about one of my clients. So step 1 is you want to introduce, as you're using results-based marketing, and you can use this as a video tutorial where you could talk people through some of the stuff that's going on. You can weave this into your webinars, to your live workshops and programs, or you can even write it up as a case study type thing. So step 1 is introduce the person. So I want to talk to you about one of my clients. Her name's Suzanne Ingleton. She'd been a personal trainer for many, many years, and she recently became qualified as a certified hypnotist and timeline therapy NLP practitioner. And basically she wanted to build a successful 6-figure business and make more money. Now, the next thing we want to introduce is the problem that they were suffering from. So when I first met Suzanne, she was struggling to make money in her business because she was charging her time out by the hour, and she was only charging about $65 an hour, plus most of her hour sessions ended up taking 2 hours of her time. So she was really on about $30-something an hour, which is never going to get you to 6 figures part-time. So the biggest problem that existed in Suzanne's business is she did not have what I call a HVP, or a high value product. Super, super important thing to get in place. So boom, third step, oops, I pressed the wrong button then. Person, problem, third step, process. Third step in the results-based marketing is talk through the process that you took your clients through. So I've introduced the person, humanized them, explained the problem so your potential clients can relate and go, oh my God, I feel the pain of Suzanne, or whoever your clients are. Now step them through the process that you helped them use. So Suzanne enrolled in our Lifestyle Business Builder program, and like all of our clients, we kick off with a 2-hour private strategy session. It's Suzanne, it's me, it's 2 hours, and I literally unpack all of the goodness that she can offer her clients. I said to her, we're going to actually design your high value program, and I want it to be something that's at least $1,500. Suzanne was freaked out and went, from $65 for 2 hours to selling for $1,500, brain overload, can't necessarily think that that's even possible. Anyway, I unpacked Suzanne and we created what we called her 4 in 5 program. It's a 5-week program designed to help women lose 5 in 4, 5 kilos in 4 weeks. Super powerful program, hypnosis, NLP, timeline therapy, goal setting, meal planning, all sorts of magical stuff, the best of Suzanne. We wrote it up, we positioned the offer, and we agreed on a price point that she would launch for a limited number of people. We knew that the program was worth at least $1,500, but I agreed to let her get it out there for a reduced rate of $790 because that just felt more congruent with where she felt she was in the marketplace at that particular time. Couple of days later, so Suzanne went off, she did her stuff, she did all the stuff I told her to, and about 2 or 3 days later, a post appeared in our Lifestyle Business Builder program with Suzanne going like this, ah! And this brings me to the 4th step of the results-based marketing. This is where you talk through the results your clients achieved as a result of going through the process that you took them through. says Suzanne, not really saying it, but in the photo that she posted. And she said, this is me excited to say I now have 3 clients in 3 days that have signed up for the $790 program. Within the next 6 weeks, Suzanne got 9 clients and she made more money than she'd ever made in business in a very short period of time. In fact, within her first 2 months of joining the Lifestyle Business Builder, she'd actually completely paid for the program ahead of time, and we hadn't really even kick-started or got stuff happening. Fast forward a few months later, probably about 6 or 7 months since she's been in the program, that exact same program is now selling for $1,500, and she is fully booked 2 months ahead of time. And we just had a coaching session today actually to talk about what is your next premium product, and we mapped out her $200,000 plan. Suzanne was incredibly excited, and these are the kind of results you can get when you apply that simple process of designing and launching a high-value program in your business. So you kind of got 2 lessons for one there, but I hope you got, number 1, the 4 stages of introducing results-based marketing into your business. Number 1, introduce the person that you have worked with before. Humanize them. Explain the problem that was holding them back from achieving the results. When you explain the problem, your other clients will probably relate to that. I don't know if you can relate to Suzanne's problems. Then walk through the process, and you can probably do that in a more systematic way than I did. I'm kind of rolling with it off the cuff just to give you some examples here. And finally, boom, hit them with the powerful results, and hopefully they are the exact results that your clients want to achieve. That's it for this video. My name's Jody, co-founder of The 7 Effect, and I wish you every success in building a brilliant business and doing what you love for a living. If you loved this video and you want more like it, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and stay tuned because there's more gold, business building gold, coming your way. See you later. Thanks for watching too.